Hello and welcome to our training. Today we're going to be learning how to create loops, for loops, while loops in Python mblock. Okay, so the for loops and while loops in Scratch and mblock environment is this repeat 10 and forever. Okay, so repeat 10 is for loops. That means it's going to repeat a particular code for a number of time, and the number allocated here is 10. So we can change this 10 to any number that we want depending on how long we want it to repeat a particular code. Okay, but while loop is repeating forever until a particular incident occur or something occur, or we stop it, for example. Now let me quickly do it using the mblock. Okay, so I'm going to say when flag click. Okay, then let me go to control and drag out repeat 10. Okay, so I'm going to ask it that the system, the sprite should move 10 times, then turn 15 degree, and then if on edge, bounce. So I'm going to select those ones from the motion blocks. So this is it, if on edge, bounce. Now if I click on play button, you can see that it moves 10 steps and rotates, move 10 steps and rotates. Okay, it moves 10 steps and rotates. Now let me stop it for now, and if you go to this place, you will see the Python code on it. You can see from mblock import events, then at event.green flag def on underscore green flag function, then for count in range 10. So that is the for loop. This is the for loop, the for count in range 10, sprite dot move forward, sprite dot right, then sprite dot bounce. Okay, you can see the way it is now. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the while loop. So let me reduce this. Okay, so let me move this back. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and say when flag click, then this time around I'm going to say forever. This is while loop. Then I'll come back to motion, I'll drag out, move 10 steps, then turn 15 degree, if you're on edge, bounce. Okay, so let me just leave it this way, and if I play it now, you can see what it's doing. It will keep playing to keep moving until I ask it to stop. That means until I click on stop. It's just rotating until I ask it to stop. Okay, I can use another sprite on that. So let me just quickly get another sprite that will make it more explanatory. Let me select ball, for example. I'm not seeing. Okay, let me just go to sports. Okay, so let me select ball, for example, and just click OK. Okay, so let me remove this guy. Click here, click on the X and click on delete. So that guy is gone. So this guy now, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this guy. When flag click, forever. Okay, move 10 steps, rotate, go right, then if on edge, bounce. Let's see what this will give us now. Okay, so when I click on play, you can see that it's rotating when it get to the edge here, it will go back. When it get to the edge, it goes back. So that is what I ask it to do. Now let me stop it, and then let's check it on the Python area. You can see now that the same thing from mblock import events at event.green flag dev on flag function while true. That means this is while loop. While true, sprite dot forward. That means if that statement is true, the sprite should move forward 10 times, and then sprite should go right 15 times, and the sprite should bounce. So you can see now that we use while loop, while the other time we use for loops. Now let's create this same code on Python. So this is Python environment. I've left block environment. I've moved down to Python environment. So here I can say for I in range, then in function, let me say 1, then let's say 13 for example, and then I'll put this column. I'll press enter, create, then say print. In function, I will write I. That means the I here is a variable. So if I click on run button, this is giving me the for loops. You can see it run 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is for loops in Python. Okay, the same thing we can run the while loop. While loop always come with a condition. So let's say b assign, let's say 30 for example, and then we say y b is greater than 20 for example. If that b is greater than 20, then print in function print b. Okay, print b. Then I'll come down, I'll say b assign b plus 1. That means increment it with 1. Okay, so before I run this, let me clear this guy. So let me now run it now. Okay, so if you check now, you can see he incremented it 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So this will keep going. If you keep looking at it, it will keep going until you say stop. So you can see it's just keep going down until we say stop. So this is how to create a for loops and while loops in Python mblock. Thank you so much. See you in our next video.